accelerate and traditional job markets are being reshaped, it is imperative that our students are not only educated but also empowered with information, skills and direction. Events like these will no doubt help students to discover possibilities they may never have imagined.
To expose them to different organizations, universities, colleges, and even organizations that can help them nurture their talent and even their careers in future. This is something we feel is very necessary because we need to guarantee our students beyond Form 4 there is life, there are opportunities.
Institutions should be ready for CBC in terms of career guidance because we have been practicing career guidance in the school, and as part of career guidance we have been organizing career fairs, of which today's career fair was one among them. We had a good turn-up with most schools from Machakos sub-county and Machakos County.
Also hold their hands as they nurture and grow in their careers. Today we are here to unpack what AI and the future of work looks like with technology in it.
Start your business, uiendeleshe vizuri na uemploy watu wengine wenye wana kazi. Pia nimetembelea pale kwa tent, nimewatembelea wakanifunza about hair designing.
We've been exploring and discovering different careers in the medicine field, engineering field, STEM, art, you name it, several careers, and we are actually, personally, the experience has been so interesting for me. I have been able to decide on which path I'm going to take.